Hello guys, welcome to Email Hustle, where you learn new ways on how to make money online. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make at least 5,000 naira daily using this app. So you need to watch this video to the very end to understand how it works. So you need to watch this video to the very end to there will be a bonus at the end of this video and where you can earn more money. So right here, you can see right here, first of all place withdrawal today that this site is this app is really paying. So right here, I just select my bank right here. So I'm going to be withdrawing 5,000 naira right here. Then I click on withdraw. You can see apply successfully. So right here, I'm going to wait for this alert to come. I will get back to you in just few minutes. So right on my bank app, I'm going to click on this transaction history right here. You can see, let me just reload this right here. You can see that they have credited me the 5,000 naira that I just withdraw in just few minutes. Now back on this app, as you can see, I've already withdrawn 5,000 naira, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money from this app. So you need to watch this video to the very end. Now if you click the first link in the description, it will actually bring you right here. Once you are here, all you need to do is just to come right here and click on this download 9win game. Once you click on this download 9win game right here, it will actually download. So it's already installed on my phone, so I don't need to download it again. So once you download it and open it, after installing the game, once you open it, it will actually bring you right here. All you need to do is just to put your phone number or put your password that you can remember, and click on this send OTP. They will send code to that your number, either on your WhatsApp or SMS. So after that, you don't click on this. Once you press the code right here, the code they send for you either on WhatsApp or SMS, just click on this register right here. Now after registration, all you need to do is just the first thing I need to do right here is come right here and click on this lucky code. Once you click on this lucky code, you can see this number right here on the screen right here. Like I press that number right here, you can see 473710. Just press the number right here and click on this withdraw. You will stand a chance to win 5,000 to 20,000 naira. So it's your luck. Either you win. Let me know in the comment section whether you win or not. So it's luck. It's not for everybody. It's luck. If you have the luck, you can win from 5 to 20,000 naira. So you can just press the number right here and click on this draw. You can stand a chance to win from 5,000 to 20,000 naira. So it's your luck. You can win, you cannot win. So it's the first thing that you need to do. So after that, right here there are different games you can play right here and make money for yourself. You can see right here, this one right here is what. If you can play what very well, this game is for you. This one right here is double. This one right here is crazy what. This one right here is base what. You can see this one right there is Dragon Tiger. You can see this one right here is base rat. This one is rocket. This one is rocket. This one is mine. This one is God of Weight. This one is Big 7. This one right here is Star 97. This one right here is Fruit. This one right here is Blink. This one right here is Stars. This one right here is Ben Swing. So right here, anyone you don't know that you are confused, you don't know how to play. But for instance, right here, this mine right here, if you actually don't know how to play it, once you click on it, you can actually click on right here and click on this help. So they will explain to you right here how to play the game, how the game works. So that is it right here. So and there are many games right here that you can play and make money for yourself. Go to get started, because if you register your account will be 0.00. So for you to get started, all you need to do is just to come right here and click on this store. Once you click on this store, as you can see right here, you can deposit as low as 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira. You can see 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira. Any of your choice that you want to make deposit and get started and start playing this time, be making money for yourself. So right here, if you have any question, you can always click on this service right here. You can always contact them on their Telegram channel right here. Now right here, as I said earlier, you can play as much as game right here. You can play and make money for yourself. Let me say this bracket right here. If you don't know how to, if you are confused, you don't know how to play, just click right here on this three dot up here and click on this help. You can see they will tell you how it works. Just see this one right here. You don't know how to play it right here. All you need to do is just click on it right here. Once you click on it right here, it will actually open right here. Once it's open right here, you just come right here and click on this three dots right here and click on this help. Right here you can actually read all these things to understand this. So right here, if you actually find a value in this video, what I want you to do for me, just subscribe, turn on notification, share this video. As you can see, don't forget to input the code to try your luck. You stand chance to win from 5,000 to 20,000 naira. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.